Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cross post to Instagram and customize previews on Thread. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cross post from Instagram to Threads, you need to simply use the share to Threads option before posting on Instagram. So when creating a post or like a new post, you can simply tap on the share to Threads before you share. You can choose to do this for this post only or always share post. So suppose you have created a post, you can hit the next button and now you can simply choose the share on Threads option. You can simply turn the toggle to the right hand side and select always share reel or only share this reel. So once you have done this, you can simply share or like cross share your post to Instagram and send it to your threads and customize your previews. However, if you want to share an existing post, you need to go to the post on your Instagram feed, tap on the share like option that is like the paper plain like option which is right over there. Simply tap on it and simply tap on the threads option. So after doing this, you can simply share this original post to your threads. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.